Whack to right, and there's Morales' first hit. He jumped on the first pitch, and he is aboard. And we'll see if the Twins get him off the bases for a pinch runner here. Liner to left and down for a hit, and it gets by Pilar. Suzuki will gain second base. It's a 4-3 game, and the tying run is in scoring position. Suzuki with a great at bat to left field and behind third. It will tie the game. Suzuki scores. Escobar to second with a double, and the Twins have come up with 2 in the 9th.
That ball found a hole. Brett Lawrie did everything he could to get to that ball, but it drops over his head.